Hi everyone, welcome to a very interesting video of OSINT series. So basically what we do, we share a couple of tools which are related to OSINT so that you can make your investigation more reliable, right? So today we are going to talk about a IP investigation tool. So that is newly introduced in the market, and that is going to help you a lot while investigating any of the IP, any of the host name, right? So what this video is all about, let me tell you the context as first. If you want to know about if a IP that you're going to investigate is belonging from hacker, from a VPN, from a Tor browser, from a proxy chain, or from any cloud service provider or something, then that tool is going to tell you. And by the way, that tool is basically free. As far as I am using from last couple of months, the tool is free. There is no restrictions till now, but there might be in future, but not till now. You can get it for entirely free report, right? Now what it does, that is the first question. When we start using any tool, the first question that rises in our mind, so it will check like if the IP that you are going to provide is from VPN, either from proxy, either it's a Tor exit node, it's a data center, anything router related IP, or any IP which is abused, which is reported by the people, if that IP is of a honeypot or something. That is what you're going to know. Second is what information this tool is going to provide you, right? So it will at first tell you ki what type of hosting the tool is having, what type of connection it is having with, right? It will tell you like if there is any abusive report which was in the history, that is also going to tell you, so that you'll be getting at the first like the IP is abused, or what country it is belonging from, who is the internet service provider, what is the ASN record, how much risk you might be having on that IP address, and at the last they are maintaining a label which is called fraud score. Out of 100 they will give you a round of ki how much fraud score this IP might be having, right? So that is like the best part is fraud score, right? Because like when we get any IP, first thing is like we feel like is it a malicious IP or what, right? So at the first instance you'll get to know that is what fraud score it is having along with the risk level, right? Next is these are the very basic thing who are going to use this, but make sure this video is for education purpose only. Now what extra this platform is providing, I gone through with a lot of websites, similar website, but the other extra feature I feel like the website is providing. First thing is they have a web interface so that you don't have to go through with a lot of terminal stuff, because there's a lot of investigators those who are not much technical aware, so that is where it's going to help you. Second is there is a public API that you can widely use in your application, whatever website you have. If you want to integrate that specific feature, then you will get to know the information from the IP address itself. And they are maintaining a GitHub repo as well, so that if you want to regularly get update, if you want to just fork onto your own repo, you can do it from there. They open dataset, and there is no paid subscription which is required for the basic lookup, right? So like here as I told you, that is little bit paid, so this proves, right, it required some sort of money, but after a certain time, right? Now let me show you what exactly the website is. That is called ffraud.com, right? So that is website which is free, open data, no limit. It's said to be, but there might be, right? You can see here, you can get a free API from here as well. Now how to investigate IP? You simply have to just copy IP address or whatever IP address you're having from your investigation body, just keep it here. You let first get is it flagged or not, from where it's belong, very summarized way. But when you want a detailed information, click here, check. When you click on this parameter check, then you might be getting there is some open a full report right at the bottom. So there is zero risk, right? There is no risk for this IP address. This is a torserver.net, which is probably the ISP. This is belonging from Germany, and Brandenburg is the location from it belongs. And this is a residential IP, which is might be from the router or something. So again, the VPN and all those information you can get it from here, and the network information. These are geolocation information. This is that you can get from ipinfo.com as well, .org. And the other registry and abuse. Net name is Tor Exit Node something. The other first when it was seen, last when it was seen, right? And this is like the basic information you might be getting from here. No, this is not matching any VPN or Tor signature. The basic question you might be asking someone, so they are going to tell you right from here itself. So here, as it's a residential IP address, you are not getting a lot of information. But if it's a public IP address, a host name, any proxy, any VPN, any Tor, any relay IP address, data center, mobile IP address, then not mobile in this case. So you will get a lot of information that you can use in your uh, cases, right? So guys, that's what we have. Just let me know in the comment box what exactly you feel. If you want any help, just let me know. We are always there to help you. Thanks you very much. Have a great day.